What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry if I sound rough right now. I'm currently sick. I got strep throat. My sinuses are all jacked. But this is something I didn't mention in the last video that I just posted when I was checking out Chase's Centennial Edition Mustang. That same weekend, Reaper kind of gave me a scare, and I'm still kind of scared. But we went up to a trip up in PA, about an hour away, about an hour and a half from here, and everything was fine. I gave it a pull because my buddies were videoing and they wanted me to do a pull, so I did a pull, let off, and she was blowing out blue smoke like crazy. On decel and acceleration, she would blow out blue smoke. I started her up for the first time since the weekend. She actually had a hard time starting. She cranked for like 5 seconds before she started, which had me concerned, but I didn't see any blue smoke. It doesn't smell like oil, which it smelled like burning oil last time when it did it, last weekend. So right now, literally, there's a little bit of steam coming out of this exhaust. I can't tell if it's oil. It doesn't smell like oil. It just smells like, you know, the typical running rich smell of a catalyst exhaust. But I know my sinuses are messed up, but I can smell the exhaust, and I don't smell any burning oil. So I'm probably gonna take her for a drive here in a minute, just to see how she's just to see if it does it again. I'm actually gonna, it's been running for about 10 to 15 minutes now, so I'm gonna start it up and see if she'll start back up. But I know the oil's not completely empty, but it is low right now, so it did consume some oil. I'm hoping it's nothing major. Maybe it's a fluke. I don't think it would be, because that just doesn't happen. I mean, it could have been a fluke. Okay, so she's at running temperature right now. She's fully warmed up. Started right up. No smoke. Hardly any smoke. I mean, there's a little bit, it looks like steam coming out of that exhaust. I can't tell. It doesn't smell like it though, so that's a good sign. It doesn't smell like burning oil, but yeah. And you may hear like the little idle pop, like where it's like does like a little pop every once in a while. This car's always been like this. I've actually heard a couple of tube valves that sound just like this. So apparently it's a normal like idle, especially without cats. So I'm gonna take her for a ride here in a minute, get the GoPro. I'm gonna set the GoPro on the exhaust, facing towards the exhaust, just to see how bad the smoke is if it starts again. Fingers crossed it was just a fluke. Maybe it was something stupid. Maybe the PCV valve got stuck or something. It's hard to tell. But guys, let's just hope, because I do not feel like tearing down this motor. Or even if it's a, okay, so here's the deal. If it's a piston ring, which that would be the worst case, I'm just gonna buy a new motor. I don't have the time or place to tear apart this motor and rebuild it. So I'm just gonna buy another 2-valve motor and throw in it, then build this one. But if it's a valve seal, I'm just going to replace the valve seal. I hear they're not that hard to replace. It's time consuming, but I hear it's not too hard. But I don't know if you guys can see, but that tailpipe, there's no steam or smoke. That side it is. I don't know if you can see it on camera. You can kind of see it. I don't know. She has me stressed. This is my this is the main part of the channel, and if this is down for a while, I'm gonna feel so screwed. I'm gonna let her warm up some more, then we're gonna take her for a drive. God, my lane is so harsh. I need to really get a personal garage so I don't have to put this car through this torture anymore. I think she's blowing out some smoke. I can't tell though. But we'll see on the GoPro footage. bit of smoke. We mainly did it when she did a little pop on decel. Alrighty guys, making this video like 5 days later. I've been really sick throughout the week. I'm still not fully better. I think I have a sinus infection now. I had strep, but that's pretty much cleared up. Now I got a sinus infection. I can't win. So, my verdict with Reaper, I did tons of research. If it was a broken piston ring, the car would smoke all the time, which that is not the case. So when I drove it in this video, it only puffed smoke like once or twice, and that's when it mainly was on deceleration. It did like this little cackle and pop deal. So my verdict is most likely just a valve seal. I'm probably gonna replace it around after Christmas. So for now, I'm just gonna keep an eye on the oil levels and just keep running it. Alrighty guys, so that's an update on Reaper. Yeah, it's not pretty, but it's also not too ugly, so I think we'll be alright. Alrighty guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.